Hello everybody, Colin with Buffalo Dent Repair, and I have a Nissan, this is either a Rogue or a Murano, whatever it is. Has a few dents in this back door. I did this estimate for this customer a couple weeks ago and he finally brought it in. It is Black Friday today, so doing a little bit of extra work on the holiday long weekend. Flip around, so there's actually 3 dents on this, and one of them goes through the body line, the other 2 are right in the middle of the door. One I can see from what it looks like, it actually goes through the crash brace that's right through the middle of the door. So let me flip around and I'll show you what these dents look like. So here is the damage. We've got the upper dent here through the body line, this one here. And there's actually a small one down there, down in the middle of the door. So the one in the middle, it makes me think this is this pinch that's on this side right here. It kind of bulges out right there. Typically what that is saying to me is that it's actually pushed out from the inside, which typically is caused by a brace that's inside. So when it gets hit in, it actually bends around that brace just a little bit and causes a high spot. So most likely that dent is actually right behind that brace, which is going to cause me to have to come up with some different tools to sneak in behind there, have a little bit of a different technique for how I'm actually going to go about fixing these. But we should have no problem getting these out and getting this car back looking good again. All right, I've got this Nissan all finished up. Everything came out really good. We've got this back looking like it never happened before. Saved this car from the paint booth, and within a matter of hours, these dents are all gone. Let me flip around, I'll show you what they look like now. There is the back door. See where those dents used to be are all gone. This car is looking normal again, like it was before these dents happened, without having to go to the paint shop for a few days and have to repaint this side. So another job well done.